Barely a week, Papa was put to rest. Okolo called for emergency meeting just for Papa's land to be shared. The same land that led to the fallout between him and Papa. Just because Papa refused to give him another land to sell. But for peace to reign, we shared the land. But it seems that was not enough for this ingrate.
I will not just use word to reply to this insult. This fool heaped on me now. But one thing is certain. If you have anything meaningful to say on why you called us here, say it now, or I will leave. But before I leave, you know me, I will bounce you. I will bounce you like Kanunanko used to bounce football.
Did I hear you say bounce?
Oh, yes, I will bounce you.
Well, let me pretend as if I heard nothing. But if you repeat it, I will show you why this community chose to call me Ago.
Listen. Nobody delays himself when nothing is actually delaying the person. Ago, if this is the reason you called us for this meeting, count me out. What I'm saying is, if you have nothing reasonable to say as the reason you called for this meeting, sit down and keep quiet. My very self, Okpara, I have something reasonable to do at home.
It's obvious he called us to watch him beat up his brother.
And I don't have that time.
It's okay. Okoro, Ago, please, you people should behave yourselves so that we will settle this matter once and for all before it gets out of hand.
And who said it has not gotten out of hand already?
Already.
While we are watching the Tiger na Ndotu, where they are trying to finish themselves, two blood brothers. Well, my brothers, I am sorry. Because of this gathering, I will let you be. As I was saying before, one ingrate interrupted me.
I've had enough of this insult. If this idiot, if this animal in human form has anything to tell you people, let him go ahead and tell you people I'm off here.
Okolo, come back here. Come back here, Okolo. Don't get me angry more than... Okolo, come back here. Come back here, Okolo. Okolo, come back here. Come back here. Get up. I warned you. I warned you. You sold all your land. You want to sell my own.
Okay. You think you are beating me? Let me tell you, physical strength cannot be compared with spiritual strength. Very soon, you will visit our father in the land of the dead.
Okolo, there's nothing you can do.
Okolo, how dare you?
Okolo, you can't do anything.
How dare you say such a thing to your own brother?
He is no longer my brother, period. Let me.
Listen.
Let me deal with this man.
Ago, listen. Gamonti. What you did, what you just did here is 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 wrongs.
Wrong.
It's not just 2 wrong. It is 7 wrong what you did before us here. How dare you lift your own brother and slam him to the ground as if you are in a battlefield?
I said
as if you are in a wrestling. What is your problem? What is your problem?
I said it, but we foolishly watched.
It's a mistake.
I told me, miss what?
Ago, you mess.
Okay.
Ojolo.
Even
if Okoro is your younger brother, you should have respected him as a full-grown man.
You people should also talk to Okoro. For him to throw a fist on his brother is totally out of it.
Oh, you
He's okay.
Oh, wait.
He's okay. There's
Man, go make milisi
I'm not so you have the guts to talk. You are creating the impression that you are supporting him. Is it not?
I have just spoken the language of truth.
You're making us believe that you are supporting him.
Not at all. Not at all.
Nothing but
I'm not people like you. Evil advisors.
Calm him down.
If you are not careful, I will deal with both of you. I go one after another before I push into that.
What is wrong with you? What is it? Ago.
Okolo will come back to this house and meet me.
What you did here before us.
I can do it, Baba.
I know. I don't want. This is how you can do it. Like this. You put it 1-1. Like this.
Okay. Do it again, Mama.
You are doing it well.
I did it, Mama. I did it. I did it. I did it again, no, Mama. I did it.
What kind of nonsense is this? Oh, what does this mean now? What is the meaning of this?
We don't have time for that joke this morning. We don't have time at all. What kind of joke is that?
Shut up! Shut up! Evil man. See, I want to know what is really going on this ceremony. Okoro just Vesta past me like Vespa machine. Now come both of you. I just hope I will not see dead body on this road today. Because I that see 3 of you should be expecting dead bodies everywhere on the road. Makagene! Makanunu the evil. Who the bad?
Why did you? The gods have already punished you. The gods have already punished you and your brother. Otherwise, I would have sent you out of my house. I would have sent you home. Can you imagine?
Evil man! Shut up! I say shut up! Obara! You cannot do more than Jabora. You and your evil God cannot do more than dead rat. You people cannot do more than that!
Obara, are we not insulting ourselves standing here with this drunk from a drunk family? Huh? Let us go. Let us go.
Look at them, smelling. Evil everywhere. Evil. I'm bigger than all of you. Would you? Be strong.
What's going on? I had a nightmare. All is not well with your father.
I don't think it's my father because I spoke with him yesterday. He's fine.
I pray so. All the same, we need to pray over it.
Yeah, I present Quran.
Ago, please. I am not in the mood to drink.
Wampo. This is to say that I'm sorry for the childish act I displayed the other day out of anger.
Alright, apologies accepted. But I'm not in the mood to drink. Okay, I will drink on the condition that you will take my advice.
Mr. Advisor, or should I say my chief advisor, I think I should pay you for your advices.
Good. Thank God that you know that all my advices have been fruitful to you. Now you have to take my advice again. Do not go further to fight with your brother on that land, please.
No, I can't let it go. You know I have plans to build mansions in that land. You know that.
Yes, I do. But as it stands now, get another land. For St. Peter's sake, Ago. This is 2020. Who said that it is compulsory that you must build on your father's land or within the kingdom? Ago, return to Ghana for the sake of your children.
Uncle, you're not just a friend, but a brother. All your advices have been keeping me going. Like relocating to Ghana for the betterment of my business and building commercial house in Aba. I quite appreciate that. But to let my brother to take over my inheritance, the only inheritance I inherited from my late father, that I will not take. I don't care if it belongs to the deadliest court. I don't care.
Ago, I want you to know that your brother have sworn never to let go of that land. So I want you to use your wisdom to run in order to live to fight another day.
You expect me to run?
Yes, at least for the sake of the dreams you have for your children.
Wampo, I've heard you, but I can't.
But what? Please talk to me. Hey, please, can I talk to him? I will do just that. Thank you so much.
Ago,
I don't know.
this one that you are carrying your bag, what is it?
I'm going back to Ghana, but I will spend the night in Aba. I have meeting with my tenants.
Hi. One name walking. Eh? You didn't do well at all. What is it now? You should have informed me earlier. Eh? Look at this beans that I'm picking. It's for you. I wanted to prepare something for you to eat this morning. And you are now leaving. This is unlike you.
Then I'm sorry. It's not intentional. My returning back to Ghana was a decision I took this morning. You see, I don't see reason fighting with my blood brother over a land given to me by my father. Not that I bought it. So I've decided to let it go for peace to reign. So Okoro can now do whatever he wishes to do with it. My family are more important to me. Let me go and meet them.
One more. One more.
I don't know.
Ah! Ezigbo one more. May the gods of our land bless you. May they continue to bless you and give you more wisdom. I want to thank you very much. Thank you very much for your understanding and walking away from trouble and allowing peace to reign in this family. Thank you so much. Oh, I hope you told him about your leaving.
No, you can help me do that. As you can see, I'm almost late on the meeting.
That will not be a problem.
It's okay.
I'll surely do that.
That reminds me.
What?
I'm going straight to Chike's shop.
Okay.
He has something to fix in my power bike.
All right.
So when he comes, allow him. Eh?
I'll do that.
I hope that shortcut to the market is still there.
Sure, it's there.
Bye-bye.
It's there. What? Oh, one more. Go well, eh?
Bye-bye.
Hey. Somebody help! Auntie, what happened to my husband? What happened to my husband? Hey! Hey! How could I do this?
What happened to him?
What happened to him?
Give the bell. Hey, Jason, give the bell.
No, I don't know. He just stopped and he fell.
Hey! Obidia saw Jason. Bono doctor. Ntu the doctor.
Hago. No, this is not happening. This is not happening. No! My dear, get up, please. Don't do this to me. Hey! Get up,
Tell me it's not true. It's not true, right? Tell me it's not true. Tell me now it's what I want to hear that it's not true, or else I will kill myself here. I will die here.
What is happening in your father's company?
Let me ask him.
You people want to turn this place to a burial ground?
Yes, so
what is happening?
I don't know. That's why we are here.
He's already here.
We came to sympathize.
Yes.
So, what I heard, is it true or false?
Answer, fast.
Eh?
Is it true? See, that is why I'm here to find out. But Ndojo. They don't want to answer. Evil man, please answer us. Is it true that your brother is dead?
Now listen, you all fools. Say, leave my house. I don't think I have time to listen to lifeless people. Man, I heard the one that is a good girl.
No! He cannot be talking to me. My name is Ujunwa. I am not lifeless.
Oh, you lifeless. It's not me you're talking to. I don't know.
Oh, well, I am not lifeless either. As you can see, there are no lifeless people here. You want us to go, right? No, hello.
We will go, but before we go, tell us, did you kill your brother or not?
Yes.
Simple question. Just say it.
First, if you tell us that you are the one that has killed your brother, we shall all go. Don't tell us that you are the one.
We will not tell anybody. We will tell only our friends. Yes. Only our friends will tell. We will not tell any other person. We will not tell anybody. Only our friends will tell. We will not tell any other person.
How dare you enter my house to insinuate that I killed my only brother?
We are not insinuating.
Yes, we are sure.
No, we are asking.
We just want to confirm.
We are asking. We are just asking to
confirm.
My friend.
Yes.
I don't tell us the truth.
Don't shout. Don't shout.
We are here to sympathize.
We are here to sympathize.
To show concern. Yes.
No, we are not here to fight. We are here to sympathize. If I cry, you cry. I will cry my cry. You cry in a high tone. You, no tone. Unga, stand. Hold on. Unga.
Don't worry. The game has just started. You will get from me.
Mama, we came immediately, we heard. Sister Mary, how did it happen?
They have killed him.
Killed who? Sister Mary, don't tell me it's what I'm thinking. Killed who?
Sister Mary, where is Daddy?
When did you arrive?
A few hours ago.
What of your brother and your sister?
Stella is with Sister Mary at the hospital. My brother is still in school.
Doing what? So you didn't know that his father is dead? Eh?
He doesn't
doesn't know yet. But I believe he must surely return.
Somebody should go and tell him. He need to come home and bury his father according to our tradition. He is no longer a small boy that is feeding on feeding bottle. He should come home and take charge. At least he will start healing the wound before the burial proper. Oh. 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 And one them. Whoever is responsible. Oh God, I'm looking at you. Whoever is responsible. God, you must challenge that person. Idiots, fools. Tell me, who will God not judge? God must surely judge all of us. Yes. The difference is that we kill with computer. But they kill by gods and others. So the judgment will be different. Sister Mary, you are back so quick. I was on my way to come and see you.
Thank your stars we did not meet at the hospital. If not, I would have embarrassed you.
Embarrass me? What for?
Say it. Tell me. Say it to our faces that you do not know anything about my husband's death.
Shut up!
I will not shut up.
You will do before any other ears. Here's this accusation you are laying on him.
Let him tell us. Let him admit that he had a hand in my husband's death. If not, I will go in the middle of the village, in the presence of thousands of people, to the hearing of everybody, and tell them that there's this evil man who killed his only brother because of one miserable piece of land and jealousy.
Mary, you are daring me. Mama!
If I don't, let this heaven strike me.
I will strike you first before you rob the name of this family in shame. This family that have lost 2 important persons in 6 months. Sister Mary, do not add to my pain. Thank you.
Auntie, I'm sorry, but I have to fight now. If not, this evil man that consumed my husband will consume my children someday.
Ask your mother. Ask your mother. Hey.
God forbid. It is not our portion.
In Jesus'
mighty name.
Amen.
Mama.
What have I told you about this useless drunk? Who's that?
He's not a drunk.
Answer up and answer my question.
How can she answer you when you have told her to shut up? You said shut up to somebody. How else do you expect her to say something when you have said shut up to her?
Yeah, Bulala. Bulala, I will so disfigure you if you dare interrupt me again. My friend, I am still waiting for an answer to my question.
I know you said you don't want to see me and Bulala. I did not know you see me today.
You are such a fool.
Thank you.
Now, why did you disobey me?
Now, I miss my Davido, so I came to dance.
If I close my eyes and open my eyes again, I mean I will kill you. Bia Bulala. Bulala! Bulala, I am not the one that kept you in this condition. I have warned you before. I will warn you again. I do not want to see you with my daughter again. If I ever see you with my daughter. Okwifasi memene kange ma chokwa mi mama waga babi bua achokwa mi mama ko bala.
But Ogo.
Oh, that shut up. Who's your Ogo? Mind yourself.
Ogani, what you are doing is not fair. It's not fair, oh. It's not fair. Yes, because in this whole village, it's Mimi that I love, that loves me well. I'm telling you, she's the only one that understands me well. I'm telling you, she's the only one that doesn't want my designer and she doesn't want my Ferrari. You understand? So, leave what God has joined together.
Bulala, I am warning you. If you do not leave my daughter, what I will do to you will be worse than who you were before.
You idiot. You bringing out this nonsense that you tied red nonsense. You have destroyed the respect I have for you. You are now like me that you are threatening with Impiewu and Aquared.
Of what, Bala? I am only leaving you because of what, Bala?
You idiot! Look at, just because I've been respecting, look at, you brought Impiewu and the red cloth tie that goes, you say idiot! It is me that will turn you to Ewu. Look at the idiot! You've done the same!
Not. Why are you shouting my name as if I am lost?
But I'll do more than shouting the next time I come to this household. If you fail to tame your dog. This is not the first, not the second time, but will surely be the last time I will come complaining about that drunk
idiot you call Bulala Koblugene. Tell him to leave my precious daughter alone, or I will help you to finish your job. Trust me. Listen to me.
You, Nanya, no. You did well by coming to report to me to complain about what you said. But as for helping me to finish the work I started, no, it's not possible. You know now, because you and I know the reason you can. Hold on. You and I know the reason you cannot finish what I started. Yes.
That's what I said it now and you laugh. And you and me knows why that idiot have to leave my daughter alone. See, I have said it. I won't come again. Because if you fail to tame your dog, I'll be forced to lose my temper and do what I'm not meant to do. Makagene, aga agwamara bụ nwoke ọbụna ka o ti mma n'onu ebe mma n'ọnwụ. Onwegwe ebe ọzọ esi eme a na-eje na abụrụ ebe ndị mmụọ.
Aha n'otu. Ọ eziokwu ọmụkwa na ụmụ asụrụ n'ime igwe bụ n'isi ndị mmụọ ka. It has not gotten to that. And I will never allow it get to that level.
And me will never allow it to get to that level. Onweze ebe ọzọ nwa fụrụ ụzọ nọ n'ukwu Adam nwanyị ka ọ fụrụ ụzọ.
How are you yelling my name like that? I can't remember the last time you called me by my name.
Ngozi, you no longer deserve to be called a mother for failing to teach your daughter to stay away from men. Okay. You want my daughter to pick up the harlotry in you that I did not allow to grow. You are a disgrace to all mothers.
Enough of all this. Enough! Because I've been quiet about you policing Mimi. How can you be monitoring a grown-up girl like this? Knowing full well she's older than I was when you got married to me. Instead of you to be happy that men are liking her in her present condition, you are following her about like a jobless mother.
Ngozi, how dare you call me a jobless man? Me? Muara no.
Slapping me is not new, but I will keep on singing the truth to your ear. Leave my daughter alone. You will kill me. Kill me.
I'll kill you.
Kill me and take my cups to my people.
I'll go to Quadria.
Mama, you have taken though. You have taken though. Mama, you have taken though. You have taken, Mama. Mama, you will kill us today. Mama, you will kill us. Yes. You will kill us today!
Okay. It is when you cross this line, then I will know that this little quarrel has turned to a war. Then I will face you with what I use for my head.
Yes, Papa, yes. What will you do? If you try me now, I just give you a packet. You make it a packet. Now, what is wrong with you?
Hello, man.
Hello, Maggie. You just talk too much now. Snake in the multi-shadow.
You can't even stand.
Come on, try me now. I'll just take you from under now. We're very different. Madman. Come and try me. Who do you want? You are. I don't want it. Who do you want? I don't give you a packet now. Just blow you from under now. Just give you a packet. Happier. Follow us now. Follow us. Let me just take you from under now. I want to go on. Mama, it's okay. Let me put it for you. Let me leave you today.
If not for one thing. If not for one thing. My man give her. When I'm them for.
I don't care.
Come and challenge me. But when I come back here and my food is not ready. Dala.
Obu mmadu inwere ezumike n'ụwa. Onye mmehie enwere ezumike.
Ọbara. Ọbara. Na utulupa na amizikwa oko. You are fast becoming a stronger wizard in this community. Kedu iwe na-eme iwe a?
Nani ya?
Ọkwamku. Ifolia.
Three of us are growing by the day. Every day. So, there's no difference.
Okay, well, your own is so obvious.
You can't go police.
I think I'm your position. How is my own so obvious?
Are we talking of the people you rendered useless last week?
Oh.
Even the people you killed this week. My own problem is that if we are friends, if we are safe at all.
Nam.
Imakwa no for back ene na nwa na azu. Ene na nwa ya na azu ofuoba. I was only testing my latest discoveries. Those killings are not actually killings per se. No. I was only testing the newest discoveries I made. Just like a very good scientist would do. Not netalogu.
Netogu.
Nagunya ebu mad.
Obala netogu. Obala. We are not talking about your brother and his wife you killed and turned their children to useless drunks. Okay,
you people are sounding as if you are different. As if we are all evil men, we know. It's not as if I'm the only... No, it's not as if I'm the only evil man in this community. We are the same thing. Listen to me. I can go as far as exposing you, the real you. I'll tell you whom you are. I'll tell you whom you are. We know ourselves. We all know what you did. You used your daughter's virginity for protection. Not just for protection, but as a cover-up. You disguised. Listen, you were deceiving people. This is to... Don't worry, it is something. And as for you, Okoro, your own cases, we know. Your last victim was your own brother. Your own blood brother. You killed him, but you have not finished too. Listen, you killed him, but you still have his son to kill. If you must inherit your brother's properties, you must kill his son. It's very simple. Think about that.
As for that little boy, leave him for me. He is not a threat to me, and he will never be a threat. Oh, I'm what I can do.
Let me tell you this. The very boy you are referring to as a little boy today might turn out to be the biggest boy in the community tomorrow. Now let me shock you. Do you know that that boy is the very one his father penned his will in his name? So automatically, that boy is the one that is going to take care of his father's properties.
Don't worry. After my brother's burial, the truth shall surface.
Oh, Kolo. Whatever truth that is surfacing, I am convinced that it will not be in your favor. Because it is impossible for your brother to have your name in his will. Yawante. That's a good man, very good advice. I'll wait for that boy. You are telling him. My advice. Go that boy. Kill him.
Relax. Oh, soon relax, yeah? When did it? Don't bother about it. You will hear what will happen that day.
So, I went did it. Having patience is one thing, achieving a good result is another. You are sounding as if you have seen the lawyer.
Okoro, even if you have seen your brother's lawyer, it is still not convincing because Ewu no Kokuma. We all know that you and your brother are never the best of brothers. So, patience. Soon when I did my friends, you will be surprised and you will be shocked what will happen that day. When I will. Okay.
We are fine. It's just a small family prayer that doesn't really require your presence. You are so stubborn. Concentrate on your studies. You know it's your final year. We are going home soon. We're returning soon. I'll greet your aunt for you. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Bye-bye. Which of you called him?
Nobody. I didn't. And I'm sure my sister didn't call him too. He was the one that called asking when we're returning.
And what did you tell him?
Exactly as you instructed.
Auntie?
Ella. Excuse me. Excuse us. Uncle, good afternoon. Uncle, good afternoon.
Auntie, did you say that?
I did. That is why I want to talk to you. But first, I am sorry. I am sorry for slapping you.
Auntie, you shouldn't be. I provoked you. I'm sorry too.
Thank you so much for your understanding. Sister Mary,
Auntie,
please, I want to beg you. In this house, I want peace and not war. And I want you to know that my brothers have never been the best of brothers. That is why my late father.
Eriri mambo bombo bomonya kerianu. Okwana eriri mambo bombo bomonya kerianu. But of your tongue. Come! Now stretch your hands, both of you, and take this calabash. With both hands. Okweriri mambubo monye keria. Eriri mambubo monye keria. As the custodian of tradition, and by the powers bestowed on me by our gods and our ancestors, according to your father's wish, the rancor between two of you must come to an end today, this Eke day. And you have to repeat after me. From this day,
if any
of us
any of us
should know, should aid, should abet what we kill each other, and aid, and abet in the dealings. Let me die.
Let me die.
Let me die.
Let me die.
Okweriri mambubo monye kerian. Eriri mambubo monye kerian. From this day, you are binded by this oath. Be careful or you will die. Okweriri mambubo monye kerian.
So, if he killed his only brother, as you have accused him, by now we'll be talking about burying 2 brothers of mine. So it is not true. It's not true.
Okoro, what is it? Where are you going to?
Guitar bread. Ingwe mwanya gati kota yano. Aye. Alabasta ine. Aye. Lava ine. Aye. Yeah, this man. Why are you disturbing everybody? I does not answer you. You go home. Huh? Why are you here? Shouting like a chicken baby.
I am not your age mate. Mind you, mind how you talk to me.
Oh! Okay, Bashi. You think you can come inside my own compound? Eh? In my own compound to drag age with me and threatening me. What will you do? Abara! What will you do? Eh? I'm asking you. What will you do?
Uju, I'm warning you for the last time. If you don't step out of my way now, you might attack a crappy.
I kill you here! I kill you here!
Are you have you gone out? Are you mad? Are you crazy?
Me? Would you crazy? Question, comma? No, I'm not crazy. Maybe you're even crazy.
Okay,
You want to mad?
don't mind this thing. Let's go inside. I have something very important to tell you. Let's go in. We'll go in. Listen. Ujunwa. If not for one thing, Ujunwa, I would have given you a sizable whittle on that lips. And I would have crippled you.
Never!
If not,
you really care.
Just for one thing. Let us go. Let's go inside. There is something very important I want to tell you. Go to the back. Step out of my way. Let us go.
Let us not do anything. do anything. Nonsense people. Don't. You think Ujunwa is afraid of people? Not possible. Every other person might be scared of you people. Mama Muabu Ujunwa. Not scared of you people. Don't. Hush! My brain of my fish! Fly! Come! Remaining one is woman. I know you will come. I'm ready for you.
Daughters of Umondo, welcome in peace.
You are welcome, but you have to go back if you want peace, as instructed by our mother.
Like I said, we come in peace, and we have come to seek the help of a mother in a matter that involves life and death.
Your visit has been approved already, but whose life is on the line? He will carry his cross alone. Only he is allowed to see our mother.
Oh. Well, if that alone is all she wants, my friend can wait. What are friends for?
Come with us. Come with us.
I greet you, the only river goddess that dwells on land. I greet you, the great Mwamili. One of your loyal subjects seeks your hand. For what he purposely did, the deed has come to take his life, which I am not prepared to give.
You are a fool to kill your brother after committing yourself to the great food of Jiwala.
Out of anger, I forgot. Please help me.
Why not? That is only what I do. But you have to give me my sacrifice before I will prepare you for a journey to destroy the pot of oath. Failure to do so, if your brother casket touches his grave, immediately you shall die.
That I don't wish for. Just name your sacrifice. So long it's not my head, I will deliver it to you.
Hey, idiot! Come here! Idiot! What nonsense is that? Look at this fool! So, I have become so too small that you just without greeting. Oh. Are you mad?
I'm sorry, I was on call, so I got carried away. I'm so sorry about that.
You are sorry you were on call, you got carried away. You idiot! You idiot! What nonsense is that? I'm sorry, I got carried away. Carried away, Kawakwagana. I'm not fear. Look at Mwazim Bosia. Yeah? You think you've grown with Ibu rubbish nisi, then you can be fella. I'm not here because you have mama water hair. You think you've grown. Idiot.
Okay.
You idiot. Churu, are you not Ebuka's sister?
Okay, yeah.
Oh, you Ebuka's sister? I said it! Hey! Because arrogancy is your blood.
Look, I'm very sorry for what happened. Like, I didn't know you were here.
Come back. What's your problem? Eh?
Here.
Can you force it? Okay, you want to run? Oh, what are you trying to do? No, what are you? Walk out of me? Nkuwaganya! Idiot! You have to shut up, okay? Don't try me. Look at this. You know, are you not Kalafia? Informer of yesterday. You know, you are informer. The informer of yesterday that used to, take her bath outside and when you that you are not coming. Informer of yesterday. You have grown so big. Yeah, look at everywhere. Wow. Well, how is Ebuka? It's fine. When did you come back?
Yesterday, we are on break, so I came back to spend time with my grandmother.
Are you serious? Yesterday in car? So how is Ebuka?
He's fine.
Where is he?
He's at home.
Eh? You are home in the city?
He's at home here. We came back with him yesterday.
Don't say. Ebuka is in this land. Ebuka is in this land. Tell him that he's an idiot. Ebuka is in this land and he refused to come and pay homage. He entered this land and I refused to come and pay homage to the Prince of Peace in this land. The Prince of all princes. The Ezala of Enuama. The only handsome young boy that say a thing and it come to be.
I can see that.
Well, tell him that I'm going. I was on my way to supply palm wine to Kelafiadio, Sister Mary. That I will come to your house and supply him palm wine. I will continue to supply him until he runs away from this village. I'm telling you, you are this big. Look at everywhere.
Until you come to supply him palm wine.
Yes. I begin to indicate interest. Yeah, I'm telling you. Don't worry, when I come, I will.
In the palm wine.
It will. You want the good? Chineke. Hey, marriage is calling. I wouldn't mind coming to your home and ask for your hand. You don't want Ferrari. You don't want my love. And I give it to you. You don't want Ferrari. Hold on. The family is gone, but I can see your eyes. You don't want Ferrari. Yeah. Stop there. Are you mad? Yeah? Are you mad, idiot? Idiot! What nonsense is that? Yeah? Why do you have to call me Davido? Listen, my name still remains Bulala, not Davido, idiot. Let my Mimi be the only one that will be calling me that name. Not you, idiot. Because I don't want any unclean girls to be calling me that special name. Diara!
Bulala or whatever you are called.
Bulala Buaga.
What is the meaning of that? What do you mean by unclean girls?
Unclean girls means unclean girls. Anything that is not clean is unclean. That is what it means.
See, Lala. Let me warn you for the last time. Let me warn you. Don't you ever insult us because we managed to call you name that you don't deserve.
You idiot.
You should be happy we even called you Davido in the first place. Because number one, you do not sing like Davido. Neither do you look like him. Neither do you even act like him. The last time I checked, Davido that I know is not a one-leg drunkard like you.
It's the jealous that is killing you. The last time I checked, Your breast was here, not here.
Jealousy, leave her, leave my Mimi to be the only one that be calling me Davido. I don't want any unclean guest to be calling me that name. She is the only one that sees what you unclean guests can never see about me. Can't get out of it.
Yeah, my friend. Anyway, why would she call him or take him as her God or even her creator? Why her own condition is even worse to my imagine him better plus one-legged girl. What the bad condition will be better. Stop!
Idiot! Allah, Baku! Is it me? You're bringing Mama. Is it me? Yeah, that's it. Baka. Idiot, Mama. Remove the corrosette, the Allah will be here. Idiot! You're deceiving us by using pillow to breathe the Allah. Idiot! We are called idiot, Allah.
Bulala. Oh.
Sister Mary.
Bulala. This one you're bringing your shop to my house. Have you forgotten we are no longer your customers?
Well, you won't blame me. I just decided to give the family a keg of palm wine. Sister Mary, I will keep supplying to you until you get tired of me.
I don't take alcohol and I cannot stand now.
It's good for it's good for you. It is good for women like you. I'm telling you.
I heard you.
Especially somebody like you. If you try this kind of palm wine, your beauty will come out the more. It will be radiating, it will be shining.
Lala, so I heard. But alcohol is alcohol. Palm wine is alcohol. No matter how natural it is.
Alcohol. But it is good for one to at least, Chana. They are everywhere in Dojon. And this Dojon. I'm telling you. Well, let me hurry to the market and meet some sales.
Thank you. Thank you very much. The palm wine will not be a waste. I don't know we see it. Oh? Thank you very much.
Sister Mary, I see you trying this one of these days.
Till then.
Okay.
Oh, that's your ma. Oh,
Dana. Try it to just sit down. Yeah, everything. Oh, I'm gonna call you. And they're everywhere.
Oh, thank you. Why yo? Sorry.
Hey, how are you? Good morning.
Hey, morning. How are you?
Where is your sister?
She went out.
She went out? Okay. I've not seen Sister Mary today.
She's still sleeping.
Huh? Is so?
Sleeping.
At this time of the day? She's still sleeping? And
maybe because she didn't sleep on time last night.
Go and wake her up.
I said go out! Hey! Okay. What is it?
Jesus, you love me too much, too much, it's love, too much. Jesus, you love me too much, too much, it's love, too much. Jesus, you love me too much, it's love, too much. Give me another track, She's not there. There's no other track again. Jesus, you love me too much. Jesus, too much. Jesus, you love me too much. Jesus, excess love. Too much. Jesus, you love me too much. Excess love. Too much. Jesus, you love me too much. You do the cry again. She's there. Another track is not there. This is a beautiful track. Hey, Jesus, you love me too much. Too much. Because love you. Too much. Jesus, you love me too much. Wait. Is that not a female drum? You can see her. She's a female drum already. She is Bulala's sister. Not just her. She and her brother Bulala are drunkards. Even before their parents died, they were drunkards. So my sister, you are JJC in your father's village. You're yet to see more things ahead of you. The evil men we have in this village will not allow our youths to progress. I'm just surprised. Serious. Just look at God. I've never seen a female drunk before. I mean, you will see more. This is very unusual. This just cool. More to come. Stop being surprised.
Ebunye ego wa igebu ya wena bazie uwezi oke uweju afọ ọkwa n'efu n'anya ga-edula anyị wena bazie onye mmehie nwere ezumike onye mmehie nwere ezumike.
Yeah, what happened to your phone? Nothing, just mind your business.
Onye mmehie nwere ezumike ọchụnwa ọkụkọ ọbọda ka ị na-achọ ewo onye mmehie nwere ezumike ọkpọ alụ na nwere ezumike n'elu ụwa onye mmehie nwere ezumike kpachara anya gị n'elu ụwa bụ n'olili ịgbata akwụkwọ ọsọ a ga-agụ maịlị gị o ime na ezigbo ife ka ị afụ ime na ajọ ife so gị biri o
ajọ mbụ tupu na m na-etucha na n'ụzọ elu ajụghị ọmara na dọgba na n'eziokwu anyị ga-arụza ngene kwuru ngene jee ṅụọ This is just to calm the pains. It will not actually heal the wound. But we have to look for a solution to get it healed permanently before it becomes worse.
You are scaring me.
I am not scaring you. Is it not better you hear the truth now? So you know what you're expecting.
Don't
touch me. Don't touch me.
Please take it easy. It's really paining me. Hi. For this pen, I will shock that small wish. I will hit her so bad that even those in the city will hear it and ask who did it.
Oh, listen to me. You have to be very, very careful. Very, very careful. So you don't worsen the situation. You get to know who she is first before getting to her again.
She's nothing. It's just that I wasn't prepared. That's why she got me. But this time, I'm well prepared.
Like I said, Okoro, you have to be very careful. Be very careful. For things may look alike, but they are never, never the same. Don't take things for granted. When it gets tough, we are solidly behind you. And as for this hand, it is Mwamiri. It is only Mwamiri that will solve it permanently.
Hi.
Osi na ndị ebe na-ebe dike n'obodo adịghị ama obi dike obodo ajụrụ onye mbọsọ ọgọ eje chọba dike enu. Kwa oge a na-ekwu mee ka a na-eme. Ọkwa n'isi kalaka na-ebu. Ekwenụ ntị asị na ọ na-abụ ezu oke ahụ eriri na atọtuo ngịga mmụọ ka ọ bụrụ ife mere eme.
Mana iji na-eme.
You see, sometime in the past, I was seen as the most wicked person in this land. But I turned the gods aside, and I lived to see what the most dangerous person, Okoro, did a few hours ago. May the gods be praised.
But it is nothing compared to what you have done in the past.
Okoro, accept the award. Huh?
Baba is right.
At least you are the reigning champion.
But I'm coming. I am not. Let it not be that what I'm thinking is right.
What are you thinking?
Yeah, because since after you killed Odeli and his wife, you have not killed any other person. Yeah. I don't know. Does it mean your powers have expired? Or you're acting out of pity?
Pity?
Or I don't understand.
Did you say pity? Me? I'm asking I know to have pity? For what? Why will I have such sympathy? This community does not deserve any pity at all. Because when I needed help, to travel to South Africa. Just little money for ticket. Nobody agreed to help me until my visa got expired. The visa I used the last of my money. Go ticket. Nobody was ready.
And for that reason, I still maintain my word that nobody will leave this village to any abroad, to Lagos, even to any city around.
You don't open the boy with pity. He's not dumb. But no, I just reminded you. I am just talking, you know, so that I'll remind you of your vow.
My vow?
Because a man should stick to his words.
What I noticed lately is like they are avoiding me. Nobody wants to step on my toes again. But I will do more than waiting for them to step on my toes. I'll begin to march on their toes. So that at least I can come up to the rank of this real men like you.
And I'm not at a filling station.
Chidera, this village has suddenly turned into a dead zone.
Did I hear you say suddenly? A village where people die every day, not because they are sick. Imagine what you just experienced in the market. Strange things happening.
People are wicked, though.
Hey.
People are wicked. I mean, heartless men everywhere. And if you trace it properly, Okoro is behind all the horrors we are seeing in this village on a daily basis.
Hey. Innocent Sister Mary. They want to kill that woman. Eh?
As for me, I feel so scared living in this village. I mean, how can we wake up every morning to see all the evil these men have been doing in this village? I'm tired of saying in this village. As a matter of fact, I'm planning to go to Aba to visit my uncle during school break. And I will not come back until men like Opara, Okoro, and that useless, worthless thing, the evil womanizer, dies.
So, church last week, yeah, it was really interesting. But just that we missed it.
You again, you. Of my Kobeli fancy can suit just come to Nobel. I told you, that is why you are carrying my name from pillar to pole. And you, Chidera, that ear that you used to listen to, prepare to lose it. I will make you deaf.
I'm sorry. I swear.
No! Go ahead.
I've not said anything wrong about it.
Go ahead and tell them what they already know. Oh, one for family. Let's go.
Let's go.
That's why you are insulting me. Man of Let's
go.
Until you do that, yam. Open a memory. The gaff. The gammon on Madame. If you want to see if you know
Ogu mmadụ enwere ezumike n'ụwa. Onye mmehie enwere ezumike. Ọchụ nwa ọkụkọ ọ bụ adaki na-achọ ewo. Onye mmehie enwere ezumike. Ọkpọ alụ na enwere ezumike n'ụwa. Onye mmehie enwere ezumike.
I'm worried. Okoro, why are you scared and worried? Why?
Why will Momly put the journey on the eve of my brother's burial? That means I must return on the day my brother will be buried. Go straight to her temple, destroy the pot of oath, before attending the burial that I'm supposed to coordinate.
Okoro, first thing first, is it not better for you to coordinate how you will remain alive after the burial? First.
Now, what if, in the process of doing that, my brother is buried whose effort is wasted.
Now, tell me, which one would you want to suggest? Do you want the burial date to be moved? Or would you want to go back to Miri, who has made it clear to you that your destiny to be alive only allows you to retrieve the pot and break that same pot the same day your brother is being put to rest? Which one do you want?
I had her, but I was thinking I should get the pot, keep it, and then destroy it on the day I need it.
Oh, that's a beautiful idea. Very wonderful idea. But you have to go back to her. Tell her all this while I stay at home and wait for you.
Ọchụnwa ọkụkọ ọbụ adaki na-achọ ewo.
Where is that evil man? Where is that evil man who has vowed to his evil gods to frustrate me? Kediebono, come out, Okoro. I'm referring to you. Come out. Foolish man. Come out, or if you think you're man enough, the war has started.
Huh? Hey, Sister Mary, what is the meaning of this? Did those nurses, did they inject madness in you?
Yes, sir. They did. And that my madness has started now.
Hey, you lie. It will not start here. You will take that madness to wherever they injected it in you and practice it there because you will not do it in this house.
Auntie, you just lost the respect I had for you. I never knew you were mean. I never knew. I was in the hospital for 2 days. You never asked of me.
Auntie, that was very wrong of you.
Oh, please shut up! Shut up!
Why are you shutting her up when you know that she's speaking the truth? You couldn't even stop by at the hospital to say hello. Eh?
I should come. Huh? Sister Mary, so you were expecting me to come? Okay? To come and clap for you?
Hey, Auntie, I can't believe you're the one saying all these things.
You should be consoling my mother.
Auntie, Okoro knows what he did to me.
Oh, yeah, she goes again. Here she goes again, accusing him wrongly. What has this man done to you?
I know what I saw in my dream. Okay, let Okoro come out and explain what happened to his sperm. Yes, if he knows, he doesn't know anything about what happened to me. Let him come and explain what happened to his hand.
Sure, he will.
Yes, let him come out.
Okoro!
Call him.
Okoro!
I know what I saw in my dream.
Mary,
here he is.
How dare you talk to my sister in such a rude manner? Eh? This is the second time you are accusing me wrongly. And I know why I'm keeping quiet. It's because I want my brother to rest in peace.
Oh.
Sister, look at my hands. No, look at my hand.
Very
clean. You see anything wrong with my hand?
Nothing at all. Are you seeing?
Then what did I do to you, Mary? Why are you accusing me?
Are you seeing the hands that they are clean? There is nothing there. Accuser. Have you seen it for yourself? No, come. Come and accuse. Come and accuse. Accuser. Nonsense. I will not say anything to you until after this burial. I will know if it is your husband or my father that built this house. No, come. Come and accuse him. Accuser. Are you going? You are going. Hey, Ikano. You accuse Bulongwegi. Nonsense. Mind them. Stupid people. Yalla.
My Nigi, what's up? Okoro, my man, chop luck.
Would you leave my way? I am not your mate to chop that thing with you. You know it.
Calm down now. Calm down. Calm down, my man. See, I was only praising you because it is not easy. He did too much. He did bad. Your spiritual skills has really grown. You see, you just crazy. So I have decided to join you people. Because they say, if you can't beat them, you join them. So I've come to join you.
Join who?
You.
Which people?
And your member.
Why are you praising me? Why are you praising me that it is not easy?
Even in the spiritual world, it is never easy. But you, Okolo, Odogunoke, Afonocha, you made everything easy, so easy, because you are too powerful to have done that into Sister Mary. You did too strong. Please, 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 please. You deserve double knock. Take it. Take it.
Sure. When you marry your heart, mind how you go about telling people what is not real.
Eh? Why will you say that? It is real. You and I know that it is real. The only thing remains now is for me to start going about the whole village, telling people how you release everything and do your bracadabra all the time. Yes.
Okay. I can take it. But what I will not take is going about telling people about this abracadabra. Because if you do it, I will not hesitate to try it on you.
Beautiful one! Okoro, my man! Please, 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 please. I want to beg you. Can you do your abracadabra on me? I need your abracadabra. Release it. Release it spiritually so that I will get better. I need to get better. I'll get better. Nonsense man. Evil man. Look at him. Okoro. Evil. Everywhere. Evil man. Nonsense. You think you can do more than Jaguara Agua? Okoro, see, let me tell you. You cannot do more than Jaguara Agua. You gotta make fool. Everywhere.
There is nothing to evaluate life with. Even if you do not have one kobo, or you let go of your millions just because you opted to live, I bet you, in the nearest future, billions of naira will come to your way because you choose to live. I used to advise my good friend, your late husband, just the same way. It was unfortunate that the enemy has already decided on his life. So I don't want you to go the same way. Please.
911. Are you saying I should forget the fight for my rights and that of my children and allow Okoro to reap where he did not sow?
Well, Sister Mary, as it stands now, I am more concerned about your life and that of your children, especially Pascal, who is probably their next target. So your understanding to my advice is accurate.
You counsel me well, Nai. There's so much wisdom in what you just told me. You know, sometimes I ask myself, why would I go back to square one when my husband really worked for our comfort.
Sister Mary, why do you opt to exit through the window when the door is wide open? Well, if you have decided not to use the exit door, you are left with only one option, and that is jumping from the house, no matter how high the house is. So I beg you, heed to my advice, if not for anything, for the sake of your children.
I want to ask you for a favor. Please, join me in this fight. I know my husband will be very proud of you.
Sister Mary, I tell you something. Your husband will be more proud to see that his children are all alive. Yes.
Alive without food or water?
Whenever you need anything, just call me.
Start from there, you understand? So put your clothes on. You continue to work. I think we'll mark it from this area, okay? So that it will not be too big and big.
Ha! Opute, were you not the one I saw this morning at Omile's compound digging grave?
Nah, you are very correct. I was the one. Yes.
And you are not here?
When I'm done, I will go to Ogade's house to meet my boys over there to help them finish up the job over there. Yes.
Oh, you don't have boys?
Yes, I have a lot of boys now on my side. Because this job is becoming too much and they are coming every day. I really thank God what he has done for me. I cannot beg for bread again. I'm working.
Yes. You thank God, eh? You thank God that people are dying and you are working. Okute is working. People are dying.
Hey, Nayoko, that is not what I meant. I didn't say so. How can I be thanking God because of people are dying and I'm working?
Oh, so, Munga Okoro, na talk is the rubbish. Okay?
Nayoko, I didn't say that though.
I think from now you'll start paying commission for every grave you dig in this town. You are thanking your God that people are dying and you are working. You think it is your God that is doing it. You don't know that somebody is responsible for it. So, Opute, thank God you have boys. Thank your God that you have boys. Go and tell your boys to start preparing your own grave now, because you will go there so that you know that somebody is responsible for deaths in this village.
Oh boy, you have just offended the God by calling the name of another God in front of Okoro. Don't tell me that you don't know that Okoro and a friend are like the gods in this village. So see, tell me, if they did not kill, how are we going to gig? Tell me. See, you should better go and settle with him. I'm not with you.
Kim, what is wrong with you?
Nothing.
No, something is definitely wrong. This is the 7th time I'm seeing you in and out from a bush with a man in just 1 week.
No, it's just 6. So. Only 6.
Something is definitely wrong. In this case, I think we need to involve your mother.
Please, don't tell my mother. I'll do that myself. I'll do it.
This is what you said the last time.
The thing is, I tried to, but I really can't explain what is wrong with me. But the only thing I know is, if I don't sleep with a man, if I don't sleep with a man, any day I don't sleep with a man, I'll feel like I want to die.
You will not die. You will not die. Let's involve your mother in this. Please.
Oh, I told you I would tell her myself.
Okay, in this case, then I think it's spiritual. Let's involve your mother in this. I beg you. You're my friend and I can do anything for you. Please, let me help you.
Can I trust you? Yeah? Sure you help me?
Yeah. Let me help you. Please. Let's talk to your mother about it, okay? Let's go. It's okay. Don't worry. Thank you.
Sister Mary, you are our only source of hope and strength. But with these tears, then all is not well.
All has not been well since your father died.
What do you mean by that?
Get me that drink Bulala brought this morning.
You said?
You heard me. Please.
Mama, you requested for power.
And drinking was never one of your moral boosters.
Sister Mary, you are our altar.
You have taught us how to differentiate right from our left and wrong from right. You have taught us so much on how to use our wisdom and knowledge right. We know that you are at the most challenging moment of your life. Sister Mary, we are here for you. Drinking this will not solve your problem. All you need right now is prayers. Our Father will be very happy wherever he is, because he knows that you will be able to take care of his resources and that his children will have a very bright future.
A future. A future that has been bullied by your uncle. And I've been advised not to say or do anything about it so that he doesn't kill us. I need a cup.
Because one good thing about being evil in the community is that you remain number one on everybody's list. Go on, Agame, you are called first. Mimi! Mimi! Mimi!
Mama! Papa?
Mimi. Where is your mother?
Papa? Marketing!
Nonsense children of these days. Anyway, she's not the one I'm looking for. Go in there. Bring my morning food. Make it hot. Then add the afternoon food you need. I need them now. I'm so hungry.
Mama, you like food?
You know that food is life. Just like fuel to a car. Please, go in and bring it quick. I cannot wait to fill my tank, please.
Sorry to disappoint you, Papa. There is no food, though. Mama did not cook anything. But not to worry, I will go inside and bring you garri so that you can drink and fill up your tank.
Is this a kind of joke or something?
It's not a joke, Papa. I swear, it's not a joke. I'm serious. It's either you drink the garri or you turn no food to fast.
You are stupid. You are a fool. I've always wondered what that stupid boy that is called Bulala likes about you.
Papa, no. I will not take that. Don't insult my Davido. Respect is reciprocal. Don't insult my Davido. Papa.
How dare you talk to me in that manner?
Yeah, this man. So someone cannot have peace. Someone cannot have peace in this time whenever you are around.
You are here at the right time. Where is my food?
Mama, I told him there is no food though. I told him that there is garri. Let me give him garri to drink. He got angry. I wanted to beat me. She even gave you an option. Me, I won't try it. Because for the past 5 days, you've not dropped even a penny in this house. The last money with me, I bought this just for night food. You know now, you married me a housewife. If you don't provide for us, no one eats. So I will advise either you drink the garri or you wait till night.
So you want me, Chifi Kemba, the not one of Iluama, to drink garri?
Just delete that old school profile of yours that cannot put food on our table. She that cannot live in a good house. That one a chief. He came back without a community. I
I will advise you to reproduce. Have a son! Have a son! That should be your community. Who even gave you a chief?
Nonsense! Next time you try challenging me, next time you try this, I swear, I'll send you back to that your poor family. And I'm going. If I return, let me not see my food. If that food is not ready, I swear. In fact, it's better I don't meet you here. Because if I meet you here, it is your corpse that I'll return to your family. Nonsense.
Here you shall continue your journey alone, and at the same spot we shall receive you. If you solve your journey,
You will only break the pot when Diwala appears to you.
And how would I know him when I see him?
He always brags with his name. Just be fast and break the pot, and you shall be guided from there.
the journey is not a peaceful one at all.
How would I know the shrine?
Just keep moving straight. You will see the shrine.
Now go.
Go now.
Go!
Go! Go.
Yeah, that's for
Don't
you.
worry.
Why?
Your father was a good man.
My father?
Contributed to this my bike. His death was a shock to the people of Olama. But you'll be remembered in a good time.
Well, it seems you're mistaking me for somebody else. For starters, my father is Agwe Yirim and is still alive. But hey, thanks for the free ride.
I'm sorry.
What?
It's like you have not heard.
Heard what?
Your father is dead.
What? I know.
Brother.
Look at you. You're taking good care of yourself.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Wow. So, where is Sister Mary? Where is everybody?
She went for checkup with Stella.
Ah. Okay. The bike man that just dropped me mentioned something about Daddy. I hope it's not true. It must be a rumor, right? Ella.
Brother, you just got back. Can we go inside?
Answer me, Joe.
You need to rest. You just came in.
Where is Daddy? What is going on? Where is my father?
My son.
Auntie.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Auntie. Thank you.
You came?
Yes,
Welcome, my son.
I'm here.
We didn't know you will come. Especially I didn't know you can come.
Well, I'm here now. But why will I come? Huh? Is it Easter or Christmas holiday? And I ask myself, why would my sisters leave school and return home with Sister Mary? Where is my father?
My son.
Auntie, where is my father?
My son, see, you have to be strong. You have to be strong for your sisters and for your mother. Your father is no more.
Oh, Jesus! No. God! Jesus Christ! How? No! No! Oh God! Oh God! Where's my father? Where's my father?
Okay.
God, why? Why? Oh God! All this happened and no one gave me a clue.
We did not want you to be distracted from your exams. Your father's death is enough loss already.
Thanks for that. But my father cannot die like someone who doesn't have people that care for him and are ready to fight for him. If all fingers are pointing at my uncle for the death of my father, then there's no reason for him to be alive. He's a dead man. Walking dead man. Where is he? In that case, I shall wait for him at the gate and show him I'm a true son of Ago.
No, son. You will not do such a thing.
Why? Sister Mary, why? This man perpetrated so much evil against us, and we will stay under the same roof with him? How does it make sense?
You need to calm down, son. You need to calm down. Oh no, your auntie told me something. So I am patiently waiting till after the burial.
I can't wait. I can't wait. Thank God the burial is tomorrow. But when Uncle returns, I will cause him grief with my words.
Brother, Mama, are you just going to allow him to carry out his actions?
Go after him.
No, Mama. Ella cannot stop him. You have to go after him. You know, brother is very stubborn. Ella can't tame him. You have to go. Mama, go now.
What happened? You did not want to start for wine today?
There's no telling today. Today is August burial.
I forgot!
Yes, I am supplying them today.
David!
Where are you going this morning? This early?
My mother sent me to go buy a cam.
Your mother is to go buy. And your father allow you?
My father is still sleeping. So my mother quickly sent me to go and buy the account. My bodyguard did not follow me. I got away.
Well, this was God gave us 1 million opportunity. You know, opportunity they said come but once. This kind of opportunity does not come. It will not come anytime soon. You understand? So I suggest we use it to the fullness. We use it well. We use it it will be unforgetting using.
I don't understand though. Robin, I don't understand.
You don't understand? That thing your stingy father did not want you to know how sweet it is. I want to show it to you.
You want to do me on a tumble?
You enjoy it. This one is not a tumble. It will be sweet to you and it will be paining you. You will love the combination.
I swear. They say it's very painful.
Yeah, you. Oh. They are lying to you. It is never any painful. If it is painful, why will people be paying money for it?
Yeah.
Why will women be collecting money from men and I will be allowing men to go into them if it is painful? It is never painful. Listen, if I should do it to you, you will enjoy it in a way that after doing it with me, you will not be eating food again. You will be calling me to come and do it every time. Mimi! Where is Mimi?
Why are you screaming her name like that this early morning? What do you want?
Where is she? Answer me, woman, before I strike you with madness.
Don't threaten me over nothing. She will soon be back. I sent her to go and buy a camel.
You did what? How many times have I warned you never to allow her out of this compound without my consent?
Eh? Again. Eh? What do you want? Hi. Hi. Chimo. Eh? Will I call this love or what? See, you people did not see the flying human being. He is flying instead of trekking. I'm begging him to come down. I'm begging him to come down and come and tell me what the problem is. For I am in charge in this village. I take care of everything. But he's flying. He's flying.
Flying human being?
Yes. See, he is flying. He's going far. Help me call him back. Call him back. I want to know what the problem is. Ah.
Uju.
Eh?
Uju,
Eh?
Uju baby.
Eh?
It's like you have drunk this early morning, no?
You are very stupid. You are foolish to be asking me that question. Are you crazy? I'm talking of the fly. See the flying human beings there. Flying. And I'm showing you instead of you to see. You're asking me useless questions.
But we're not seeing it now.
You're not seeing it. You're not seeing it because you are blind. That's why you're not seeing it. You're not seeing this being that is flying. Look. Get out of here. Get out of here, what? Get out of here.
That's why you people are blind in this village. And you people cannot see what is happening in this village. It's only me who do that can see everything. Instead of you to help me call that who is flying, you are telling me it's like I'm drunk this morning. The one you gave to me. Foolish boy. You are here distracting me from stopping who I want to. Hey! It's fine, oh! Too many questions to ask. But first, what is chasing you?
Ghost. We saw a flying ghost. Big ghost, though. Very big ghost.
You saw big ghost. Inside or there? Which side? Which side?
This is not a joking matter.
Not joking.
We saw a landing ghost.
Oh, landing ghost. See. Yes, I saw a flying ghost. Flying ghost. And I was confused. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Let me find out. Inside there.
Wow! So this is where you are buying their camel. You are a disgrace. A very big disgrace. Biabulala. So you are the one my enemies are using to destroy my life. You are the one they want to use to get to me. But I will kill you before they get to me. Bia, Ikaku, are you still here?
My rapper is the ghost.
Ghost. What nonsense ghost? You are Apuna.
Leave your bicycle. I will take care of everything. Run as fast as you can to the village mortuary. Leave it. Go and notify them that Ago's dead body is here. Anywhere they run, I don't know. Tell them that Ago's dead body is here. I will be here and be waiting. I'll be watching, doing security for the dead body so that it will not fly again. Hey!
Agu. What I planned for mere mortals not to see have failed. Now rise. Rise and fly like a bird till I decide to send you home. Rise.
What is happening? What is going on? Did you find anybody?
He is now too heavy. Ago is now heavy. He is now heavy. A force is holding him down, preventing him not to fly.
What are we going to do? Because soon his people will get to him and carry him.
I have tried for Okoro. At least I delayed the burial time. It's left for him to return.
How sure are we that he's going to return? Are we even sure that he survived the evil forest?
That I cannot tell. That I cannot tell. But the best I can do to delay, to waste more time, is to deny any man the ability to lift him. That I assure you.
That will be okay. That will be okay.
That I assure you. That I assure you. That I assure you.
Maybe.
Hey, don't dictate for the gods. Don't dictate for the gods. How dare you dictate for the gods?
Ndo.
Ngwana, ebi ha go na ha gba ewu. Ihe ju akpa amachie ya onu. O kwado oge ya oda.
Ago my friend. See, you have to help me fight your enemies. Yes.
I know you are not the one doing this, but they want to make you to fly again. That's why I'm sitting on you. I'm sorry that I'm sitting on top of you. Baby, it's me, oh. It's for security. I know you can hear me very well. Ango, see, you have to fight with your inner spirit, even if it's your last power, so that you help your people to bury you. You rest in peace. Yeah, you will not fly again. I'm here to guide you. You will not fly again. The plans of your enemies will work. No work. I'm not doing you here. Hey! Your people should come! Your people should be coming! I want to fly again!
Securing a goose. A goose. I did it.
We don't want.
Shut up!
No, shut up! Where? In a road.
Are you a goat to brain? In fact, we're a goat to brain. Can't you see I'm here, securing our goose so that he will not fly again? Because his enemies want him to continue flying and will not rest in peace.
The way you're mounted on him, you know?
It's because he wants to fly and I don't want him to fly again. You should be praising me because I'm a strong woman and you're here asking me if I want to eat goat.
Oh, well done.
The people I asked you to go and call, have you called them?
They're here.
Hey, go and bring them.
They are coming. I've got them.
Hey, bring them. You people should come before I fly again, Lord.
Gidi kamado melowo Onwe manyalo Akwanebe onwe memalu Obuno onye kamuka kolonu Alili ebuonumo
God has won another battle for us.
Yes, yes.
Carry him home. Take him home. There I shall perform the supposed church service before putting him to rest. In the name of the Father,
and of the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Everybody's entering car. They will not carry us.
I will carry it. I have my own
In trouble with your father. What do we agree on? We agreed you briskly buy Akamu and return before he wakes up. Now you are telling me another story. A story that will make him shout till a newborn baby. Even a newborn baby will hear him when he screams.
Mama. Mama, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to disappoint you. I promise I will not do it again. I will not do it.
Ngozi, if you don't want your people to come here and carry your corpse, gently and peacefully carry your bag and leave my house now. Come out of that place and go. Ngozi, I am not joking. I am in the mood of physically killing somebody now. Ngozi, if I meet you inside there, you are dead. You don't want to hear me. Ngozi,
consider the fact that I'm not the one that committed this offense.
As long as you disobey me, I hang the offense on you.
Hey, it will not happen again. I beg you, my husband.
Ngozi, go and promise another man. I'm not marrying again. I cannot be a husband to a wife, an incapable wife for that kicks away my orders.
Hey.
And a wife that cannot take care of only one child. Only one. You will go. Go. Let me handle that thing that is too hard for you.
It has not gotten to this nine. What will you tell people I did that will justify you sending your wife packing because your daughter went out?
I owe nobody any explanation. Nobody will ask me.
I'm sorry. I promise I will not do it again. I will not see the video again.
You are just a fool. A very big fool.
Thank you.
Anyway, I do not have your time. Until I finish chasing this incapable wife away, then you will know how wicked the man you call your father is.
Hey, Papa, don't chase Mama away. Now she did not commit.
Let's go.
Why am I even begging you? Why am I begging you when I don't enjoy my stay with you? Do you think it is easy to tame a grown girl? Okay, do it for 7 days, let me see. If I see you in my father's house, coming to beg me to return, I will make sure I pour you hot oil because I will not return to this house until you are dead!
Let me go!
Mama.
Give what to Nana. Because in Gaku Ibi.
No, go, Mama.
Gaku Ibi.
Papa, come on.
Mu give what to Anotu. Give what to Nana. Give what to Ndondo Afo. Give what to Ndondo Afo. Mu Anotu. Hey! Ojuano.
Yes. Yes, I want to let you know that I have tried for you, and you know that. How I delayed everything, set confusion everywhere, even made the cops to be flying. People could not get close to the cops, but I did a lot of things on your behalf, Okoro. So all this I did for you. Now I want you to tell me the truth. What actually delayed you?
Let me start by thanking you for being a good friend to me. That journey was terrible. This is a place I have never been before. It was so terrible. But anyway, I thank God I have arrived. Not only just arriving, but meeting up with the barrier. That is the most important thing. Otherwise, people would have been started insinuating that this is Okoro that was responsible. But thank God I am here. Although I am responsible, it's only you and I knows that I am responsible.
We know. I am why. Now, it is okay. Now, what is the position of things now that after rain comes sunshine? It has come and gone.
Don't worry, I know where you are tracking to. I know where you are tracking to. Don't worry.
Oh, okay.
Abala, haven't you seen that our God is so faithful?
Yes, I know that.
You see that? You see those 2 cars my brother left for me? They are all mine now. Very soon I will call my mechanic to come and loose 4 tires. So that you take them, sell them, and be happy. I keep the rest.
Okoro, you will call your mechanic to come and loose the 4 tires and give to me. I keep the tires, you keep the body of the vehicle.
Well, of course, the tires are made in Ghana.
And I know what to do. I will retire to my shell. I know what to do to lose your 2 legs and keep. And then I'll leave your body for you.
It hasn't got into.
It has got into.
No.
Anyway, that is by the way. Now, what about Pascal?
What about
Do you think all these things you are saying, all your dreams will come to pass when Pascal is still alive? Pascal, his son, your brother's son, Pascal, is still alive. And you are saying all this, dreaming in this part.
Oh, it's true. Like I was saying, I think, peace is a paramount thing. And the only person that I'm looking up to is you, to bring peace into this family. Of course, your father is no more. Likewise, your brother Ago. It's just one thing that led to their death. It's out of being divided. Now the question is, how long will this continue? If you cannot stand in the middle to bring peace, of course you know that is a vicious circle. The end will be more disastrous.
Hey, God forbid. God forbid.
So please,
don't say that.
Please, you can only start now. Bring the family of your late brother and your brother Okoro together. You are the only one who will talk sense to Okoro, especially. To see all these people as his own children. Of course, what is war? War is nothing. You cannot benefit anything. War cannot bring bread on our table. War cannot bring even life. Rather, it will take. And that is what we've been seeing here. One barrier after the other. It's bad if you see this family labeled everyday burial. Of course, I won't be there to to attend another burial because it's not my position to be coming for burial here.
At all.
Of course, it's not a natural thing. It is man-made. Something triggers this death. It's your duty as a mother, because of course, as a daughter of this family, you are taking the position of a mother. Please, think about it.
You have spoken well. What you said is right. And I will do just that.
Really?
Yes, it's peace that I want. And nothing but peace in this family.
For you to have said this, peace is already here.
Amen. Thank you so much.
I want to thank you too.